Hello designer, welcome to Design Coach. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add style guide in Figma. In the last video, we add the photos in our layout. Now we are using the style guide in our layouts. So first we start with heading. In this heading, we already applied the style guide heading color. Now we check the body. For the body copy, we just go over style guide and we have already declared it in the body. So we just go and declare the body color. You can find the variables from here. We are creating this initial heading, body, border and input Figma variables to apply our design. Now we have a button of the buttons. For the button, I just go component. We have created this button here. I use this button and go to the wireframe and applied here and just remove this and get started. Okay, here we applied our button. Now we go to our sections. Okay, here is our heading. So I just go here and find the heading colors. Okay, in this heading color we also apply our headings titles h1, and now we have here base font, so we can just add h5. Here is the paragraph colors, we just add body. Okay, now we again have a body button. Select this and paste into this frame and write down this. Okay, I just want to write down here more about us. Okay, let's remove this button. Okay, after applying this, we can just go here and creativity sections, selecting this both and selecting also. We apply heading colors here and also applying the heading property 26 pixel and selecting this body text also and applying body text. Now we have a features need some creative, so I just go here and applying the primary color. Here also I am use the primary color. Also use the primary color. You can use whatever you have to use. I, for the consistency of buttons and everything, I just use some different color here. So I just go here and warning and warning. Okay, it's not look like different color, but just I use, just go selecting this all, and I want to be dark color. It's not look like good. For the dark it will be work better for me for now. Okay, in this we have one portfolio section. Just go here and applying our heading colors. Portfolio, we need heading colors. In the body we want to be add body color and selecting this button, and again I go here and apply. Before delete, I just add the name, view full portfolio, and removing this button. Okay, now we have this section. Selecting this and applying the again heading color. Testimonial have a heading colors, and view all we want to be add primary color as we want to be clickable it. Okay, in this title we want to headings, and in this text we want to be add body color. Again we go here and selecting these headings, go to and select. If you want to be check heading colors, and view all we now need primary color, we apply it for. Now we select these three and applying same heading color. For the body and for the read more color, we apply primary color. Now we have one call to action button. So for more attractive, we just add a success color, or we can just add a primary color. In the heading, we can just apply our H1 heading and applying the white color. In this button, we have a no white button. So for now, we just use the white color here. Okay, and the text color we want heading color. Okay. Now in this logo footer, we can go here, heading color, selecting this and apply body color. Selecting this both, selecting these footer headings and heading color, select these links and apply into body colors. Here is also we can apply body colors. For the border, we can use border. Here we created. Again, we want one button. You can call it from library. Make sure you have all the libraries in your Figma. We just go and create it in this file. So we just select this, add into this and read down, submit, removing this. So now finally we apply all the styles and CSS in our Figma. Basically all the designs are we created in auto layouts and it will be easily extendable. In these tutorials we learn how to add colors and applying the styles. The biggest benefit applying style is when we change in the variable, it will be changed in all designs. Like see, if we go here and we want to be apply as a primary color, so you will see the all the heading color should be in primary color. So here is the benefit of creating style guide in Figma. I just go back and return. In the body we want to be change some colors, so we just select 300. See, the body color will be changed in entire screen. It will be work like CSS as we did in HTML or something coding. So variable is the most important part. So friends, here is the my final level tutorials for the Figma files wireframe to design. You can make my design is very clear and simple, but it will be help to be used in the repeat in any components and everything else. So you can based on this. So friends, thank you to watch my entire video. If you want a Figma file, it will be in the description. So if you like, please share my video and subscribe to my channel and comment in the below so I can make more video. It's encouraging to me. Thank you.